What is going on? Hold on, I gotta check what day it is today. Jeez, we're just going right at it. Gym, shower, everything before 9 a.m. Yep, that's been how it's going. I need to see what day it is today. Day 17. Day 17, we're still up in profit, but we have been losing. We've been losing big time, but it's okay. It's all good. No worries, no nothing. We're going to pass this. Still only early into this. I kind of don't want to, obviously I do want to pass it, but I don't want to pass this and then blow the account. So I'm learning slowly, which is probably the best idea. Anyways, we'll see what it's going to be like today. Hold on, let me just check. It looks like it's going to be longs. Bias is still bullish. We're taking out session highs every time. So we'll get on the charts later and I'll show you a recap, maybe even a live trade now today. I might stay here and do a live trade. That's probably what I'm going to do. So I'll be on the charts here and we will be chatting later. So let's hope we can take out a dub, come out with a W today. If not, it's fine, but we will be. I bet you, I guarantee you today is going to be a win. You'll see. You'll see. And if not, there's no trade at all. But I'm going to look for a trade today. Nice setup. I'm thinking sweep a high, come down, retrace, take the high back out. But we'll see. We will see. I'm not 100% sure. But let's just keep going at it. And I'm going to pass this funded. Lows are low and the highs are high. That's what's happening. So let's we'll see the charts. What is going on? We're back here. We're not the charts yet. We will be in a sec. But I just want to say that we didn't take a trade today. No trade. No trade. There was nothing good for our setup, and I think I'm back to how I was before, which is perfect. So basically, I'll get the charts up here in a sec. Fuck. I have to sign in to another account. Oh, there we are. Basically, trading view, super charts. Okay. Nothing was hit today. We had no confluences at all that hit. Nothing. So, we didn't hit a trade today. We didn't take nothing. We absolutely did nothing. Markets are closed. Now we're waiting for Monday. Let me get this up. Command Shift 5. Sorry about saying that all the time, but I just want to get it up. It's going now. Okay, so no trade. I wanted price to come down here, hit this, and then react. And I was going to go for this high. But that was just recently. Like, this has been all day. Or this has been not long, actually. So, market obviously opened here. I didn't want to do anything. I should have went here and got a quick take profit, but no. We need our next setup needs to be something that can really push and go long. Like, if we caught this break here and went up here, that was one session. That's actually what we wanted to yesterday. I'm not going to talk about that because I'm still pretty pissed off. But yeah, basically that was it there. And that's going to be our next everything. Our next game is going to be find the perfect setup. Not perfect, just a good setup. This could be a strategy too. See this here? Wicked out everywhere. Consolidation all right here. Maybe if price came under here and closed out, but it closed above this session high. I think that's a pretty telltale of continuation of the market. We take out these highs. Actually, we take out. Damn. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So look, we took out high. Anyways, we're not gonna worry about that. I just want to say today was good. It was a better disciplined than it's been the whole time. So I sat on my hands, I didn't trade, and I thought it was a great idea. Maybe what we can do is, what we can really wait for is price to come back down into here, an order block. This is an order block. And if price comes back down into here, we can go for a long and take this high. What the fuck do I got going on? But anyways, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're going to start playing it out, our strategy, how I should be. I've been taking watching too much videos, trying to do too much, which is my problem. So if you're watching this and you're just trying to get into trading, stick to your own strategy. Stick to your strategy. Find what works for you. Find the best way that works for you, the best time that you can trade at. For me, it's not in the morning. I can't trade in the morning because I try to catch the price right away and I fuck up. So for me, I start letting price develop. London session, I let it get going a bit. Then maybe 11 o'clock, London closes. Then I can do something. Maybe I can take a long if it's a continuation. But if we sweep the low London, maybe I'll go. That's kind of what I'm going to get into now, is really waiting for a good time to set up and trade, because these trades I've been taking are just, they're not good enough. Hold on, check if it's still going. Yeah, they're not good enough. They're really costing me my account. Like, I'm still up, but I'm down a lot recently. Obviously not a lot because I only have a 5K account. But anyways, it's good to start small. And I'm starting to figure out that the bad habits are fear of missing out is one. Fear of missing a trade is the big thing. That FOMO is huge for this, is what I find for me. Thinking I gotta catch this big run. But price always will retrace back to areas where it wants to go to find orders. Like this area here. Price right now is in this fair value gap. As you can see, we tapped into it. We came up. Now we're getting another tap into it again. And maybe we keep going. We don't know. But again, you never know anyway. It's just probability and seeing what works for you and seeing how price moves. That's the big thing. If you're looking at it, just sit in front of the charts, really watch what price does. And it always draws towards lows and highs in sessions. And usually sweeps highs, takes them out. Maybe it'll sweep it and go back down. But usually if that does happen, it's going to go back down to the previous session and sweep that, maybe go back up. That's how price has been moving. Usually it makes new highs after every day, or new lows. That's what happens. It sweeps previous lows and then takes out those lows. So that's what it seems like. Like, as you can see here, see the lows that I got marked out, take away. Now we got a sweep. Maybe we're going down. We don't know. We will see. Usually New York session. Anyways, I can keep going all day about that stuff, but today was good. We didn't lose. We actually probably took a step forward by not trading. That's how I look at it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to name this video. We took a step forward by not trading. We took a win by not trading. So that's going to be all for today. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll do a nice maybe back test, something kind of video where I can find what I like, find exactly what my strategy works for me, and just play off that. So with that being said, that's today. It's a pretty quick video, but mostly psychology and saying that, yeah, I'm back on track and I'm going to start making money here. First payout's coming soon. We're going to pass the account first. Then a payout. But anyways, that is all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day, I don't even know anymore. I don't remember. But that's fine. So that's all. See ya.